Corruption is what happens when someone in power puts their own personal gain before the interests of the people. They forget that leadership is a trust from Allah.
So corruption begins because of greed?
Yes, a leader sacrifices moral integrity for the sake of money or power. Many societies in history have suffered because leaders became trapped in bribery, favoritism, and abuse of power while the people under them struggle.
Does that mean most government officials are corrupt?
Well, no, not necessarily. There are many righteous leaders who fear Allah and carry out their duties with sincerity. But temptation always exists, and people must remain aware so that corruption does not grow unnoticed. And history has taught us that when the leadership is guided, all of the affairs of the Muslims are guided. But when the leadership is corrupt, then that naturally transcends into the Ummah itself, and the Ummah becomes corrupt. And this is a famous statement of Imam Ahmad rahimahullah. He said that if I knew that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala was going to only answer one of my du'as, I would make it for the leaders. I would make it for the leaders. And he explained why. Because if they are righteous, then the Ummah will be righteous. If they are corrupt, then the whole Ummah will be corrupt.
What should ordinary people do if they see corruption happening?
People must encourage justice and discourage wrongdoings. They should advise their leaders, remind them of the consequences of their actions and their responsibility before Allah. And if they don't listen, they should expose corrupt officials for what they are.
But if people question their leaders, wouldn't that cause problems?
Questioning injustice with wisdom can never cause problems. Islam teaches us to stand firmly for justice, but accusations must never be made without clear evidence. Remember this, corruption does not destroy societies from the outside first. Often it begins from within. When honesty and accountability disappear, the strength of a community weakens. That is why every generation must protect justice and truth.
You have the power to make a difference. Start now, share this video and subscribe to our channel to spread the message.